Hello, friends. How are you today? Friends, how my mind goes today? It says, so, what's the lead? Create what you need. Cast and create? No, 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 no. Important is the deed. My deed today is that I read. And what do I read? I read this book. This book, The Art of Living, by a very old philosopher, Epictetus, Epictetus. He was the guide to Marcus Aurelius. You know, these are all Roman philosophers, right? Greek philosophers, Roman philosophers, all those people who were questioning themselves about who they are, what they are, and why they were writing it out after realizing who they were, and they were coming out with their ideas. Their ideas are even today not only practiced, but those ideas are worshipped. Why? Because those ideas were for the enhancement of all virtues in society, enhancement of the beautiful mind that man has, neocortex, new brain. Friends, this new brain is the brain which doesn't allow you to sleep after eating, because when you have your breakfast and everything, then it says now what to do next. All other species are not questioning themselves. They are not worried about the betterment. They are not worried about enhancement of knowledge. They are not worried about what is going to be the schedule for today, how useful it will be for me and for others. These questions don't come to them because they don't have that developed brain, which is neocortex, which is new brain. But all these people, they questioned themselves. And where from the question was arising? All questions and answers, they come from the source. When you wake up in the morning, everything wakes up. You hear to the sounds. Everything, you will find it so lively. Birds are chirping and different sounds are coming. Universe has woken up, and so are you. सो उठ जाग मुसाफिर भोर भई, अब रैन कहाँ जो सोवत है। उठ नींद से आंखें खोल जरा, और अपने ईश में ध्यान लगा। ये प्रीत करन की रीत नहीं, तू जागत है, वो जागत है, तू सोवत है। उठ जाग मुसाफिर भोर भई, अब रैन कहाँ जो सोवत है। जो सोवत है सो खोवत है, जो जागत है सो पावत है। उठ नींद से आँखें खोल जरा, और अपने ईश में ध्यान लगा। ये प्रीत करन की रीत नहीं, प्रभु जागत है, तू सोवत है। उठ जाग मुसाफिर भोर भई। जब सारी इंसानियत, सारी कायनात अपने असली रूप में आके जाग जाएगी, तो हेवन ही हेवन है। हेवन इज़ नॉट देयर अप इन द स्काई, इट्स हियर ऑन द अर्थ ओनली। दैट इज़ व्हाट आवर ड्रीम इज़, कि सबको अपने पूरे पोटेंशियल पे जागरूक होके अपनी पूरी डायमेंशंस को देखते हुए, वेयर एवर दे फाइंड दैट समथिंग बेटर कैन बी डन, दैट इज़ वाई यू हैव बीन गिवन बर्थ, टू रियलाइज योर फुल पोटेंशियल। एंड नीडलेस टू से, जिसने अपना फुल पोटेंशियल पाया, उसने बाद में जाके बाकी सबको बताया। You are not liberated if you don't pass on the knowledge to others, because knowledge is not your prerogative. It has come to you from matter, information, energy, which is free flowing in the universe, and that is in the form of particles. You are here, you are particles actually, and that knowledge is contained in you. Right is holistic, right brain, and left is logic. So logic only is not life. There's life beyond reason and knowledge, and that is the source. knowledge will and reason and logic will never make you feel your whole self. Therefore, understand yourself, meditate on yourself, move yourself, nourish yourself, ask yourself, have I done today what I was supposed to be doing in the form of a human being? And you will enjoy your life. Your journey is going to be very, very beautiful if you know